Hello, my name is Andres Vera. I'm a civil engineering student. My professional practice was at Productos KB S.A. This is a company dedicated to the manufacture of the chemical products for the construction, which is part of the holding RPM. My practice was at the technical center in the area of additive. This area is dedicated to the development and modification of additive to the concrete. My work mainly consisted in the realization of concrete, development and application of the additives. We work mainly in two projects with a company Melon, which is a cementitious plant. This project was for the development of the hyperplasticizer and one setting retarder. We have some field trips. We go to the laboratory of EDM to supervise the realization of the concrete with a shrinkage reduction additive. And we go with the company DPL to a false tunnel for a test with shotcrete. In this test, we evaluate an additive developed in the laboratory, and this project was for the new metro line of Santiago. The most challenging task was in the setting retarder project. Once developed, modified, and tested the additive, comes the certification in the EDM with the normative named NSH 2182. The additive presents a high presence of chlorides, and this can cause damage inside the concrete, and this means less durability. The additive could not be certified for this problem. So we discuss what might be causing these problems. Why we have a high presence of chlorides. It could be a bullet mixer, the problem could be in the raw material or some error in the production plants. So we produce the additive on a smaller scale. Again, we have a high presence of chlorides. So we thought the problem came from the raw material. So we go to the storage and examine the raw materials in the setting retarder additive. We found one raw material was stored near another. In this another raw material has a high presence of chlorides. So we know what is happening and we fix the problem. But in this project, which was for Melon, we have done 16 concretes, and were not valid. So 1 or 2 months of time was lost with a lot of material. So the project has to be completely redone with less material and less time. But we solved this with statistics and some magic tips. So we finally find a solution for the project. We present the project and we certify the additive. So I learned that we have to be flexible and face the problems for the new incomes. Thank you.